All right, so this is the DJI Mini 2 Intelligent Flight Battery. This is the actual DJI branded battery. So works with the DJI Mini 2, and not really a lot to show you around the box here at all. So let's get it on opened up. Works for me. So we shouldn't have much in here. Oh wow, it has a little cardboard box. So here's the battery, just like the other battery that I have from DJI that's right back here. Old one and the new one pops right into place. Click. There we go. And anything else? That's it for the box. And yeah, just manual. So there we go. DJI Mini 2 Intelligent Flight Battery unboxing. Perfect battery for your DJI Mini 2. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.